on that wire. I'm telling you that right now.
He's not going to hurt something in there, is he?
No, there's a box.
Okay.
He's got to use
a box in there somewhere.
wire cutters to open it.
What's the black stuff?
Yeah, it's tape.
He used to do that to the kids all the time.
All the time. Payback sucks.
Better we hide it and make them hunt for it.
I'm telling you, you might as well get that tape and crap off before you start working on that wire, because there's more than one layer of wire on there.
I see it. I see the box.
How long did it take you to wrap this?
20 minutes.
I said I'd take me
He's
5.
breathing heavy too.
Well,
Someone get him a beer.
Yeah, y'all want to go have a drink and we'll come back in a minute?
There's eggnog in the fridge.
Thanks on. Please don't catch it.
Hey, don't get that let that wire touch anything. You'll get rust all over everything.
You use baling wire?
Mary, he's sweating. Go get him a handkerchief.
What all did you use on that, Landon?
Well, after he gets to the baling wire, there's some zip ties.
Zip ties and zip.
But the sugar content in it is ridiculous.
Bobby, it's Christmas, don't cuss.
He's getting red. He's getting red in the face.
I thought you was a professional wire cutter. It's all you did all your life.
Watch. I am. See me analyzing it, didn't you?
I never saw a gift wrap this good before. Bubble wrap.
Oh, this happens all the time.
This ain't Chicago, honey.
Yeah, really.
Really though, it's payback.
Bale wire, yeah. Baling wire?
Yep.
What is baling wire used for?
For baling
For
hay.
square bells.
We
For
need
baling.
And for wiring your hoopty together.
Yep.
Bring me a beer.
No.
He's sweating.
Might need a vodka before it's all over with.
He needs something bigger than what he's got cut through the 8 layers of wire.
You want to rest a while?
He needs a towel to wipe his brow.
He's getting red in the face. Bob, don't have a coronary on us now.
I want to know how long it's going to take him.
I told
See, the
him.
thing is, he's cutting the ones on this end. I wrapped them the other way too, so we got to go all the way around.
Oh my gosh.
No, don't.
Have you ever seen the wrapping where they put it in a big box and then inside?
And it's
that
not
box?
just like this way and this
I
way.
see
It's
it.
this way, and then I went around the corners, and then we go around. So it's not just going to slide out the end.
I had to do that to him.
Yeah, it's
Bob will unwrap his stuff.
Oh, you're so creatively
He will
evil.
unwrap it and rewrap it so he knows what's in it. And so I've had to do stuff like that. I actually got his Christmas present for me out of my car after midnight mass last night. It's been in work and in my car.
Sometimes it goes to my house. Sometimes it goes to Mima's house.
He wraps your gift that way too, Mary?
No, I don't think so.
No, but he used to wrap ours like that. Mine and Landon.
He wouldn't rest till he had to guess what it was. I would put like little boxes of light bulbs. If I wrapped it, I wrapped the box inside the box and the box, and I put a little box of light bulbs or something that would rattle funny, you know.
It might be crystal inside. Swarovski.
Swarovski.
Good luck.
Oh wow.
Good luck.
Good polish.
cut myself open.
10 tons of wire.
He's bleeding. Band-aids. First
What
aid.
is that? THHN 12 solid?
Careful. I think you got a few more zip ties to cut.
The zip ties are zip tied to the wire, so he ain't just gonna pull it out.
Well, I'll cut the zip ties.
You better get to cutting because they don't just go long ways either.
I would have already done it.
20 minutes to get
On that.
Maybe not 20. It probably didn't take 20 minutes.
I'm not gonna take no 20 minutes.
Well, you're already at 5, and it took 5 prior to that to get to where you
Just
were at.
open the box right on this end.
You can't just open it. You gotta.
No, I can't. I can open the box.
Either way, it still took you 5 minutes just to get to this point. So I think we're gonna be good.
You want the box though.
Yeah, you want the box.
Don't let that stuff touch that shirt. Get all rusty.
Why'd you need the
Oh
box?
my god.
No, he won't let it touch. Why don't you just cut all that off?
Look at that. Wow.
Wiener?
I've never seen such a thing.
I hope that's a good present in there.
Merry Christmas, Bobby.
He mentioned about wanting one. I don't know if he
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
It might be New Year.
It might be New Year. And when he gets it open.
He's gonna get it out of the
Not a
box.
pound of lead.
Oh my. Carson.
The funny thing is, it's not even in the box.
Oh. Now he tells you. Is that new pair of pliers? Bolt cutters. Bolt cutters. Even better.
I need
You
to
see
see
everything. Yes.
And I didn't seen the video costs as much as the big ones.
Show you something.
Having fun yet?
It makes it easier.
How did you get them so tight on there?
Because I can't see.
Professional with some wire.
He's good like that.
It was the same time this was, and I was like, iPhone 5 is this
I've built
big,
lots
this
of
one's
fences.
this big, and they're the same price. I want this one. It's an
Okay,
LED.
it's ready now.
Landon, you were very considerate not to use barbecue.
I thought about it.
Oh my. That would have been bad.
If I would have had some thinner barbed wire, I would have, but I didn't have any.
Jeez.
Then I got the.
What is it?
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
That's a piece of art right there.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can
That's a
take that
keeper.
down to Lipschitz.
Yeah. Sell it for $45.
I need that wire back, by the way.
Take it.
What is it? Sears? Oh my goodness.
Give one, get one.
So that one's got a magnum cylinder with it.
Oh,
Oh.
it does.
Oh wow.
Cool.
Neat.
Give one, get one.
All right.
Was it worth the work, Bob?
Yeah, it's worth the work.
Very
Thank
cool.
What caliber?
It's got a 22, and then it's got a 22 mag cylinder with it too.
1 minute.
Cylinder's right there.
Do you want him to open the rest of his, or should we let
Cool.
Bob